dicha veteada, la única dueña de mi amor. Alright guys, we're back. It's time for Mexico now. You guys saw in the other video, I just bought the Mavic 2 to take it to Mexico. I'm time to pack up. We're getting things ready, getting all my gear ready, last minute edits, last minute orders to my clients as well before I head out. I don't want any work on this trip. Probably just gonna be working on the flight, but that's it. Starting to get all my clothes ready, gears next, and then that's pretty much it. Leave tomorrow morning. It'll be July 4th, Independence Day here in the States. But in Mexico, it doesn't really matter, of course, because we don't give a shit. So, stay tuned. Packing is probably one of the most annoying things of traveling. I have all my clothes out right now on the bed. Also because I just finished washing, so, you know, don't think it's messy as hell, but got everything out right now. I'm just getting the necessities right now. Alright guys, a little break from packing. We gotta make a quick pit stop. We're gonna go to my boy Pete's house. Gotta pick some stuff up before we head out. Alright, we brought the wrong filter. Gotta go get the ND. Alright guys, I'm almost at my boy's house. We're just chilling, honestly. I'm just having a chill day. I'm telling you, we leave tomorrow. So I'm just last minute errands, last minute runs, gotta pick some shit up, gotta pay, I don't know what the fuck I'm saying, but then I gotta go get a haircut. That's the most important thing of the day. What are you? Alright, I'm out. Later, Pete. I'll see you guys soon. Next, I'll catch you in the airport. Later, guys. Oh, so I'll see you in Mexico. Later. Yeah, man, today's the day. Everything's ready to go. Got the luggage ready to go, gear ready to go. It's game time. So we should be on our way to Ayleen's house right now, calling an Uber, and then we're gonna be heading to the airport after that. So we are on our way. Let's go. How you doing today, sir? Yes.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Me dice, no me estás sonando más que solo palabras, y si no las cumples se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás tú al lado mío.
La única dueña de mi amor. What's up, guys? A little early in the day, but we're getting ready to go to the next family trip within the family trip. We're gonna go to Manzanillo, Mexico. Tune back in a little bit. This is the bus we're gonna be riding. Our luggage should be going in there very soon.
Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz.
Barcelo. Made it to the hotel grounds. Check this out.
Moverlo sin pena, ven, sin estrés. Muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres.
Mer, un snack.
Snack.
Tonight is the night we get fucking drunk as fuck and make scripts for the fucking YouTube video. Am I right? Anybody? Anybody? That's a yes.
Yes.
Damn, that's crazy.
Shit, this is beautiful.
Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres.
We're currently on the elevator about to get to the room. Let's go.
Como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz. Recuperé la fe cuando yo a ti te vi, mami. Bailabas como un ángel, me acuerdo de ese party. No lo hacías despacito, no eras como Daddy. Eras como Bad Bunny, tu flow bastante.
Damn, my microphone was off the whole time. All right, guys, we're back. Just got a double. We had a king bed at first, but we had to upgrade to a double because we couldn't sleep together. The room is pretty dope. It has its own living room, full TV right there. Let me show you guys the restroom. The restroom is pretty dope. Fat ass restroom, fat ass tub. You know the vibes. We beach ready. We pool ready. Anyways, about to go to the pools. Obviously, I'm not gonna vlog there because I don't want my camera to get f***ed up. We're just gonna go enjoy the day, man. I'll cut to some drone clips right now so you guys can see where we're staying at. This is the Barcelo Hotel. Thank you for having us. Thank you for hosting us. Guys, it's officially a wrap. Packing things up, getting ready for the airport. It's time to go back home to the Bay Area, man. It's been a pleasure. It's been an amazing experience being here in Guadalajara once again. Got a bunch of footy, a bunch of drone clips, a bunch of photos as well. Stay tuned for all of those coming up. This is my second vlog. Hope you guys really like it. Let me know what you guys like. Let me know what you guys don't like, what you guys want to see, where I should travel to next, anything. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. End the clip with some drone clips, and I'll see you back home in the Bay Area. Later, guys.